Hey everyone, welcome to a week in my life. This video was suggested by one of my friends, so I just thought of doing this today. So, this is the day one morning. I know that ball looks really lonely right there. I'm gonna play with it later, but that's the morning view, first thing which I see. And oh, look at this flower today I saw, it's so pretty. After this, it's time for my breakfast where I just have my oats and this thing. Oh my god, this is so satisfying to watch. Getting ready for my classes now, and it would start in just a few minutes. Before that, I will just complete having my little breakfast, which I have to have, and yeah, prepare for my class. This is my camera setup, that's how I do my class every day. Also, I wanted to show you something, which is this little bracelet which I made a few days back. It has walk on, be water and be sleep written on it, and it's my absolute inspiration right now. Also, these are some of like very special aspects of my room, like this dream catcher or this Bruce Lee model which I have in my room, which sits with me throughout the classes, and this is what makes my day every time. Now, before my classes start, I just like to scroll through my Instagram. I mean, I love doing that. Then my classes just started, and the first class went pretty well. After this, I have my little break of having my buttermilk, and this cup is so cute. I love this cup so much, and yeah, this is my lunch time after this. After having my lunch, I just did some skincare preps, and after this is my relaxation time. So this time I just sat down, listened to some songs, and read my favorite book, which is Be Water My Friend. Now this book is my absolute favorite because this has so many important philosophies about life, and this is written by Shannon Lee. I surely recommend you to read this. Now I just saw some old memories of Bruce Lee's interviews, and this was so cool. I just love his personality so much. Also, just thought of showing my face a little bit because I realized that in this vlog I did not really show my face that much, so why not? As I promised, I played with my ball after this, so that's how I play alone in my house. After this, I just had this fruit break with apples and guavas. Okay, so with that being done, I just need some jewelries out of these beads. I do it every time I get. And this is what I made today: yellow and black choker by the queen herself, Hailey Bieber. That's my dinner time, and after dinner, I just went to sleep. Until tomorrow. Hey guys, so welcome to day 2. Today was such a pleasant morning, and I started my day with brushing my teeth, and after that I played with my ball while my class was just being started. It had some time, so just like time pass. After that I had this hot chocolate. It was so yummy.
Hey guys, I shot the whole yesterday, whatever I did, but today I'm not gonna shoot my classes are because I think like you guys already know what I do in the morning, so it would be a little bit boring for you all. But I would just shoot after my classes get over. So I hope I don't get any homeworks. So without any homeworks, if after that I can do something fun or interesting, I will let you guys know. Until then, bye.
Hi guys, so my class just got over, and right now I'm just gonna go and take a bath, and today I'm planning to make a reel for Instagram. I'll just shoot it and keep it in my drafts. I'll post it later, but I'm supposed to make that. So after that I am planning to draw something. I don't know, I'm just in the mood. So I'll show you a clip of that. Until then, bye. So this was the time when I just sat and did my painting, and it was super relaxing. Wait for the end result. Oh my god, I'm so satisfied with this drawing. I absolutely love this. After this, I just had my lunch.
Hi guys, as I said, I'm now gonna do my reel. I have not yet applied my makeup. I'll do it right now, but you're gonna get a BTS for the first time, I guess. So yeah, I'm so excited for this. Let's go. So as you can see, this is like the setup, which is like this is the setup which I do every day. This is my lighting. That's my phone. There's a tripod at the back, and to place this phone which I'm using right now, I am using this bottle, and these are a couple of wires which are like attached to that light. So yeah, that's my little setup. Okay, so now the reel is like the first part of the reel is done. So I'm just gonna change my dress, do some makeup, and then I'll meet you all. Bye. Okay, guys, so I'm ready. Be honest. Let me know how do I look. How do you like my makeover? And I'm just gonna click my reel right now. I'll post the whole reel here on YouTube so that you guys can check out. Okay. Until then, bye.
So after that, I did not shoot anything. So after my karate class, I planned to paint my nails, and that's how it really turned out. I'm really satisfied with this work.
Hey guys, so I just painted my nails as you saw, and yeah, these are the final results. I have not realized that my nails grew so long in the past month, and it looks so nice now. I'll meet you later.
So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I know you asked for a single day in my life, but one day in my life would be really boring, so I tried doing it a very random but fun one. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please do drop a comment down here and like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye.